Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And this is day 3. And let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. Early in morning, revise basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, and some vocabulary words and some idiomatic expressions. So daily in morning, revise all basics of each subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or grade up. And who are already preparing, they can prefer affairs cloud or study IQ. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, watch an editorial video. And there is a live class from Adda YouTube channel by Santosh sir. So on daily basis, watch an editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel. And after that, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting your exam, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking. And note down all your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of quant and reasoning, practicing for pre level. And from 2 days, we are practicing simplifications. And tomorrow also, practice simplifications for pre level. And in RRB exam, 10 to 12 questions comes from simplifications. So we have to practice more. And also for reasoning section, from 2 days, we are practicing inequalities questions. And tomorrow also, attempt quizzes from SmartKida website for inequalities. And in SmartKida, more PDFs and quizzes are available. So use all those for your pre-level. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule like practicing PDFs or attempting quizzes. And in many apps, we have many free PDFs and quizzes. So use all those PDFs and quizzes for pre-level. And if you have any doubts about these free PDFs and quizzes, you can freely ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide my Telegram group in description. And who are preparing for mains, in afternoon, attempt quizzes from textbook app, and they are freely available. And from 2 days, we are attempting quizzes from Adda 247 app, and tomorrow attempt quizzes from textbook app, and they are very useful for our mains preparation. Use all those PDFs and quizzes. And after that, give 1 hour for each reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness, read Indian economy topic from 8th page to 16th page. And for computer awareness, read 7th page to 16th page. And those PDFs are in my Telegram group. And in those PDFs, we have chapter wise multiple choice questions, and those are like revision for our preparation. So read all those for 1 hour each, banking awareness and computer awareness. And after that, evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And from 2 days, we are reading April 1st week current affairs. So tomorrow, attempt quizzes of April 1st week current affairs from one of your source. And then attempt PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and make timetable according to your weak areas. And also, I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in our Telegram group. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And thank you.